Hi Shankar.
Hi sir.
What happened? Why are you dull?
So I'm preparing SSC exam, sir. It is last year syllabus, so much of syllabus is there. I'm getting very tension, sir.
I am here. You don't fear. Because in our Gauri Smart channel, for SSC exam, each and every topic will be covered. Mathematics, science, social, GK. Each and every topic will be covered. And also grand test also will be covered. So you don't get tension. Understand?
Really, sir?
Yes.
Oh, hooray! Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Thank
All
you.
the
Thank
best
you.
for your exam.
So all of you like this Gauri Smart channel and subscribe this Gauri Smart channel. Thank you.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about class 8 democratic politics civics lesson understanding marginalization. The lesson name is understanding marginalization. First of all, we are going to discuss about marginalization. What is the meaning of the marginalization? Margin means border of the country or city. So, who are living in the places of the borders of the in the cities? Yes, those we can call as a tribal people. Means they are all living in the outskirts of the cities only. Such people are called as tribal people. So in olden days, these people are called as the fourth category of the people. Means that means the last category of the people we can call as Shudras, which we have to call as a SC/ST category of the people are called as a marginalization people. There are different kinds of works are there. They have to do in the different kinds, and the language is totally difficult and different also. We can't understand about that language. Some kind of marginalization people languages are only verbally it is there, not in the written. It is verbally language that is. There is no kind of written it is not there. Such kind of languages they have to spoken by these marginalization people. So marginalization people is a very important for the society. Actually, we need it nowadays. So now come to the point. What is the understanding about the marginalization? Why we need that marginalization people, and what kind of category of the people we can call as a marginalization people? Let us discuss about in this lesson. Yeah, today there are two kinds of people are there in the society. One is that upper caste people, lower caste people, and also we have that majority group of people, minority group of people are there. Majority group of people, minority group of people are there. Majority group of people. Take the example of India. India. We have different kinds of group of people are there. Different kinds of caste system, religious group of people are there. These people are having that such kind of different kinds of traditions and customs and languages are there. Now see that in the majority group of people are in our society, it is a Hindus only majority group of people, because more number of people are living in our country are in the Hindu people only. Now come to the minority group of people are very less people, which are called as a minority group of people. We have to call as a minority group of people, we can call as a SC and ST kinds of people, and we have majority group of people we can call as a Hindus are called as a majority group of people. Okay, now we are discuss about the marginalization. Marginalization people are called as SC, ST people, scheduled caste, scheduled tribal people only. These are also one more kind of people are there. We can call as a tribals. Tribals also called as a minority group of people. SC, ST people also called as a minority group of people. These SC, ST kind of people will have to very less percentage of people are in the existing in our country. Those are the Muslim and Christians. Christians and Muslims, both two category of people are called as a minority group of people, but marginalization group of people are different, slight different it is there, marginalization and a minority group of people. Yes, minority group of people are called Muslims and Christians, and whereas marginalization people are called as a tribal people. These tribal people are, they have different kinds of areas, different kinds of people are there. Especially which area in our country, these tribal marginalization people are more there. One of the best state is in Andhra Pradesh, or in the more marginalization people are there. Like that Orissa people and Tamil Nadu and Jharkhand places, and also we have the other area of we have Uttar Pradesh of some kind of tribal, that means we have to call a marginalization people, and we have that Madhya Pradesh, also we have that, and Meghalaya places also, little bit Meghalaya places are all the tribal people are there. There are different kinds of jobs they have to, that means the different kinds of works they have to done in the to livelihood. For example, some of the people are going to do the cultivation, they are doing cultivation. Some are they are doing animal rearing, and some people are they want to do according to that vegetables and fruits. They have sellers are there, fruits and vegetable sellers. Fruits and vegetable sellers are there. Like that, some kind of people are they out fishing. Some people are they have doing about that to cleaning the roads, about the garbage and the washrooms. These all the people also like about the scavengers. They have doing scavengers. They are doing about in our society. So these are all comes under a tribal group of people. Different names are there, different kinds of people. We have that different kinds of Lambadis or the Santals are there, and such kind of people are there in other area of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana district also. We have different kinds of tribal people are there. Actually, these kind of people are very necessary. Why? Because of that, they are doing about that some kind of people. If you want to get the any kind of forest product, we can get from the tribal people only. Tribal people are sell in the market such kind of animal skin, animals nails, teeth. These are all tribal people only. They have to sell into the market. So these are very important. Next thing it is in the different kinds of items they have to sell into the market. Forest product. Such kind of product is not available in the normal cropping areas. So these are all things they have to sell into the market. And one more thing it is in the about that medicinal plants also. Some kind of medicinal plant which is using about the Ayurvedic homeopathy, such kind of medicinal plants also we get from the tribal people only. So these kinds of people are very important. One more important thing is they are want to do about that doing garbage work, which is a cleaning work, doing as a work as a laborer works. More laborer works are doing in the tribal people. These are very important about that in nowadays. So why? What is the reason in the why it is necessary? And one more thing it is, we have to get those people are in olden days, we can call as untouchables. But Gandhi says that untouchability is a sin. It is a not after 1947, after 1950, according to the constitution rules, untouchability is a sin. Those who also they have to give the priority. We have to give them the rights to the tribal people also. We should give the many importance to the all kinds of tribal people. We are not at all giving that not only about these rules are belongs to poor people, these rules are belongs to rich people, not like that. So tribal people also apart from our society nowadays. So we can give the right to vote from that. Fundamental rights are given to them, fundamental duties also for them. So many things also for upliftment of the tribal people. Also, we can give some kind of reservations. Some reservations also providing for the employment as per the education system. Also, we can give that for the people of the tribal. So marginalization, it is a for they have to do that what kind of things they have to necessary. According to that cleaning purpose, they have to need about that garbage, any kind of cleaning means garbage or anything, and toilets, which are the toilets or the public toilets, they have to clean it, and any kind of dryness, it will be spoiled. Those things also they have to do it in the morning. From morning they have to do that in the work. At night time also, late nights also, they have to clean the roads. So these are the very important for the all kinds of the things. So scavenger works they have to do in public places. Once see, imagine that today there is no 1 or 2 days. Scavengers are not cleaning the roads and public toilets. How you have to imagine that on the roads? Yes, it is a very worst condition only. Yes, these are the very important. Even though the people are working continuously all the ways, not only about that, only cleaning the part. Any kind of drainage, it is in the spoiled. Such people are they have to clean the drainage system also. Otherwise, what will happen? No, all dirty water will come on the roads, and these are the things why they have do, because they have to do that. Then we are safe our lives. Our health should be good in condition. Otherwise, mosquitoes, flies are there on the garbage. Those flies and mosquitoes are bitten to us, and then automatically we got the different kinds of diseases like dengue, malaria, typhoid. These are all the kinds of diseases we are attacking into the from the mosquitoes and flies. So these things, for that purpose of the scavengers are very important. Means tribals are very important. So according to that, there are different kinds of people are there, especially women people. Women Dalits are there. They are working in the forest area. Dalits are working in the forest area, and also they have to working in the normal public places also. So we have to give the respect to them. We should not see that see in the olden days what will happen. They have to treat it as a very cheap persons. They are giving not giving any priority. Like that they have to give it. Hey, don't go there. It is my place. Don't go to the direct to the my home. You can go to the in the backside of the house, and don't talk with us. Like this, such kind of harassments are going on. Yes, really it is happens in the olden days. In nowadays, this much of technology's development it is going on, even though people are giving the very less priority for the Dalit people. That means the majority group of people are there. We have Buddhists is there, and Christianity it is there, and also Jainism it is there. These all the people what they are doing now. They have to see that like a very last category of the people, and they are not treated like a humans. Actually, those are also humans. Those are also created by God only. We should give the respect to them. Those are working is different. Yes, we are agree with us. Our work is different. Their work is different. Our work is what we have officially we are educated, so we can do this work. Our work is also important for the society. Those works are also very important for the society, because those are not at all there in the society who will clean the roads, who will clean the drainage system, and who will clean the public toilets. All these things they are necessary now. Yes, those work it is a very important for the society. Our work also very important for the society only. So we have to give the importance and as well as respect to them. Respect to them means you should not give to that giving any kind of good opportunity to them. Just you can like a human, you have to talk with them. We can talk with them. We have to do that. What kind of work you have to necessary. Suppose your washrooms are there in your home. 2 days, 3 days, your scavenger will not come to your home. How it will happens? Imagine that very dirty smell, and also it is not in good in condition. Even though we can get the more kind of diseases or happens. Really, this happens only in our homes. So we have to give a respect to them. So we should not any kind of criticize them. We should not insulting to the in the society. That's why, according to the 1989 Act, 1970, 1980, and 89, these all the acts are implemented by the government to giving that upliftment of the Dalit people. Dalits are called as that means scheduled caste, scheduled tribals. Those are called as Dalit people. So C.K. Janu is giving that more importance to that Dalit people according to this rights of the Dalits, respect to the Dalit people only. Not only that, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar also, as per the Indian Constitution, they are giving that more encouragement to them. Even women people, especially women, are working more and more work is in the forest area and also in public places. We should not give that. We should give the respect, and we should not give any insulting them and harassing them. Harassment it is going on. Some areas, Dalit women are harassing by the owner. Those harassment it is a crime actually nowadays. It is a crime. It is an imprisonment, penalty. Both are sometimes both have to pay to that according to that 1989 Act. So women are they are doing the working in the household works only. These are working household works and cleaning the washrooms and all the things are there. In schools, they are working in offices, they are working women, people. Women is a very important role. Dalit women is an important role as comparing to the men people. Men they have to doing the drainage work and garbage, whatever garbage is there in the dustbins, and all these things they have to do. But women also working in that place of offices and the other areas also. So some kind of people are there, some owners are there, they are treating it very insultingly, and they are harassing. Sexual harassment also, some areas of sexual harassment is also going on. That harassment it is totally crime. We should not any kind of such kind of things you can do it. It is a crime. Government should be declared it. So according to that understanding marginalization, we have importance should be needed for the people. Importance. Marginal people or Dalits people are important for the society. Yes, everything they have to do it. And according to this lesson, what we can discuss about that marginalization is a very important The people which are in the society that are important should not give any kind of insult to them. We should give the respect, importance for the Dalit people, and also we can discuss about that. We can give the respect to them. Then only the society will be developed only. Thank you.
If you like this video, you just like and subscribe the channel and share this video.